So let's take a look at how to enter your big picture. First of all, the big picture is made up of three major components. One is vision, then values, mission. A vision is basically a snapshot of where you see yourself off in a distant future, just sort of if you describe where you would like to be at some point in time. The values are those things that you hold dear that helps guide you on how you might reach the vision. And the mission is what you're going to do between now and when you reach your vision. So to enter and edit, you just select the edit icon and then enter your information. So I'll just stick something in there like that. So let's go ahead and enter something for the values. You'll certainly spend a little more time thinking through it than I'm using here. And let's go ahead and enter a mission. And then once we've got this entered, and you don't have to do it all at once, you can come back later and do it. Anyhow, you just go ahead and select save. You come back at any time and edit that. So that's how you enter a big picture.